right. How you doing, my brother?
I'm blessed. How about yourself?
Oh, man, I'm enjoying my day. And tell us who you are.
Oh, yeah, my name is Clayton Marshall.
Clayton Marshall. And where do you live?
So I live in Las Vegas right now, originally born in Jamaica, Mandeville, Manchester, Jamaica. But I was raised in the East Coast, New Jersey, Philadelphia area. Yeah, so that's my background. But I live in Las Vegas. Been living in Vegas for 7 to 8 years now.
Okay, and what have you been doing for those 7 and 8 years that you've been here?
Yeah, it's been definitely eventful, man. So I first started with Your Personal Concierge. So it was a concierge company and did nightclubs, pool parties, strip clubs, show tickets, anything in Las Vegas. Built an app, about like 4 years ago with some help. And, I feel like I was definitely ahead of the curve. I was the first one to actually build a concierge app for Vegas. I know later on Vegas.com and others followed. But even people now are still, I feel like, trying to catch up where I was 4 years ago.
Wow, so you've been building this network for 7 years, you said?
Roughly, yeah, about like I say 6 years solid.
Wow. So what do you value about this network?
Definitely, I don't think I know what has quantum leaped my career is the people I've met and just casual conversations in Las Vegas. To me, the key of Vegas is not about gambling or all the different activities. It's the people you meet. I was able to rub elbows and get contacts of people that are business moguls. And being an old sales guy, that used to do cold calling and all types of knocking on doors, it was always hard to meet that decision maker, and I was able to put myself direct contact with the boss of the boss and had his cell phone, and with that I was able to quantum leap my career by that person being able to close deals for me in a bar. You know what I'm saying? Like casually. You know what I mean? And so I was able to learn the value in building a network, but make it to where you build it on relationships and friendships.
Wow. Well, with that being said, thank you for giving your time to us. We know that you're a busy man. Why don't you tell us a little bit about what you have going on in the future?
Definitely. So it's all to me about progression. YPC was a concierge division that I built in Las Vegas. So now what I want to do is add in travel. I don't mean like travel individually, but travel collectively as a group. So, and that's what I came up with. The whole concept is an executive travelers network. So pretty much your network is what your net worth is. So that's all it is, Put together a members club of entrepreneurs, athletes, different movers and shakers, and traveling to all different types of fun spots, whether it's from Las Vegas to LA, and we do the beach sports like water sports, jet skis and kayaking, or we come from LA and we come to Vegas, and we might go to a nightclub, we might go to a bar, but the main thing pretty much is going to some place where we can all come collectively as business people and find out what's actually going on in the underground scene of business, you know what I mean? To be able to make friends or meet people casually that we might want to do business with, but in these two markets in California and Nevada.
Wow. Well, you definitely said a mouthful right there, Mr. Marshall, and I'd like to actually ask you a little bit about that. You said about traveling to some fun places, and you also said some things about some networks. So let me ask you about the network first. What kinds of opportunities will your members have to build their networks?
Definitely. I mean, that's the whole beautiful thing about a network. It's a net, so it covers a very wide area instead of just a very targeted area. The benefits of being in the network is you have individuals that's in the network that's going to try to connect somebody with you, and that's all it is. A lot of people make things more than what they are. I'm a person, to me, is just keep it simple, stupid. You know what I mean? It's just basic one-on-one. We put you in contact with people that you want to be in contact with, and vice versa. It's just like, for example, if you're a contractor, then we'll get you contact in with people that need contractors, and it's just that simple, man. If you're in sales, this will completely help you to be able to close deals.
Wow. Now I'd like to ask a question I'm a little bit more excited to ask about some of the fun things that you mentioned.
Yeah.
What kinds of things would the members get to do from LA to Vegas?
Well, like what I said, man, the grand vision, I'm gonna start off grand and go back to where we are. The grand vision is to be land, air, and sea, to be global or national, to where if we wanna go from here to Miami and be able to hit up a conference or be able to hit up a nightclub or hit up a beach or hit up a yacht party, wherever that major network event is, we will be able to touch there, you know? So that's the whole concept. Now, getting back to what we are now, just covering Las Vegas and LA, is being able to leave from LA, get on a bus with like-minded people that that are in your field, out of your field, that's gonna help you out, you know? Say if you're a realtor and you get involved, and within our network, we find somebody that wants to buy a commercial or real estate property, and we hand that over to you, you know? Or you can meet somebody in that room yourself that might need those services. So, you know, that's the whole premise of it. Now, when we go outside, we might be on a yacht, and even though we're on a yacht and we're having fun, or we're parasailing, or we're deep sea fishing, or we're on a canoe, business is still being done, but it's being done at our leisure and our fun, you know, because life is short. So the way how I see it is, I want to have a great time while I'm conducting my business, and I want to be able to travel and see. I want to see the world. I want to see the United States. I want to see the nooks and crannies. I want to see things that, you know, we don't normally get to see it. I want to be able to take advantage of it while doing business. So to me, it's killing two birds with one stone.
Wow. Well, I want to ask you a question. This may be a bit of a challenging question because you said some things that really excited me as an entrepreneur. You said things that we have opportunities to grow as movers and shakers, and also opportunities to see the world. But let me ask you a challenging question. Do you think that men will actually be able to get some work done while they're parasailing and deep sea fishing?
100%. Most people that are focused on business is never off your mind. Honestly, this is the best thing for you to get your mind at a right state of frequency, you know, and you lose some of that tension. A lot of people don't understand. A lot of entrepreneurs, a lot of architects, a lot of engineers, a lot of people that's at jobs that demand a lot out of them mentally, you know, they have a short lifespan because there's so much stress on what they need to accomplish. So when you're able to bring down that stress level and to make it to where it's enjoyable, I feel like you'll be able to have a longer life and a more enjoyable life and a more productive life. So that's my goal.
Yeah, you're definitely dropping gems, Mr. Marshall. And just to for the people out here that don't know who you are, you've spoken to multiple types of people that we can network with. But one of the most valuable people that they'll be able to network with is yourself. So why don't you tell us about yourself as an entrepreneur? I'm gonna throw this question out to you. How about you give me 5 words that would describe you as an entrepreneur?
Focus, determined, definitely a visionary. Definitely sometimes I love too hard. And I definitely say I'm a family man.
That's awesome. That's awesome. What do you love best about living in Vegas?
The best thing I love about Vegas is about the people I meet. You know, being a sales rep, promoter, whatever you want to call it. You know, I was able to meet some very cool people. You know, I met some anal people too, of course. But overall, the different individuals that I've crossed paths with have shaped me and changed me. So definitely networking to me is what I love most about Las Vegas. And that's what I want to master and present to you, but not only in Las Vegas, but I want to be able to take what I've learned to different markets.
Cool. Well, now I think we know your name. I think we know Joyride Me's name. And now we know about the Executive Travel Network.
Yeah.
And so how do we get on the road to Enoch with you?
Oh, definitely, man. You'll be able to get on our site, joyrideme.com, and be able to book whether you're going from Las Vegas to LA to Vegas. And but right now, we're going to keep it simple. We're just going to focus on those areas. Definitely, we're doing an EDC trip as well. So for all these people that's coming to Vegas from California, we'll have buses coming all week from LA, rolling out to Vegas, help you guys out with your hotel and whatever you guys need, your transportation to and from the Speedway. So, we're very entrenched in Vegas activities.
Awesome. Well, thank you, Mr. Marshall, for your time. Thank you for dropping some gems on us. And thank you for inviting us on the road to Enoch. We'll see you on the road to Enoch, right?
Definitely, man. This is going to be a ball, man, and I'll see you guys later.